Hey everybody, this will be the last problem that I show from 4.1, and uh, again we're dealing with basic probability. So you're given a table, and for instance they've looked at the correlation between green eyes or not having green eyes, which is the complement of green eyes, and then they looked at having let's say black hair with the complement not having black hair. So what they want to find out is what is the probability of not green eyes with black hair. So there are, whenever you have a table, you should always do two things first. And the main thing that you're looking at is you're going to take the sums of the table. So you're going to sum the rows and the columns, and you're going to find in the total possible outcomes the sample space. So if I go through here and it says sum the rows, so going across, those are rows, and up and down are the columns. So I go across and I sum those. So 38 plus 4, 42, and 19 plus 29. See, that's the same as saying 20 plus 30. That's 50 less 2, so 48. And then I'm going to sum the columns. So that is 17, 57, and what is this one? 33. That's my answer for each column. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the total. And I add both of these together. I add this together and then I check it by this because they should be the same answer. So 42 plus 48 is 90 and 33 plus 57 is 90. So my totals are correct. This, sum the rows, this is sum the rows right here. Sum the columns, these are sum the columns. This is n, or my total possible outcomes, or my sample space. That is 90. Next, I'm going to find where do not green eyes and black hair intersect. So my bottom row is not green eyes and my first column is black hair. So where do they intersect? They intersect here at 19. This is my favorable outcomes, or X, and it leads us back to our basic setup for probability. The probability of some event equals favorable outcomes divided by the total possible outcomes. Well, my favorable outcomes, 19. My total possible outcomes, 90. And now I'm left with just doing the math. 19 divided by 90. And we'll take it out 3 decimal places. So 0.211. 0.211. And this is my probability of not green eyes with black hair. Please continue to watch the publisher's videos, read your textbook, structure and critically think about your problems, and good luck with your homework.